Hi, Stephen Armstrong here, Head of Commercial at AO Power. We're here today to showcase one of our recent installations at Sunderland City Centre. This incredible array that we've built for Sunderland City Council is a 56 kilowatt system using the latest technology. We've used 96 N-type solar panels, which are glass-backed and transparent on both sides. We've also installed a 400 kilowatt hour battery for storage. Working with SIG on this project, the carport features custom facades and an infrastructure to support EV charging. So if you're thinking about solar, but you don't think your roof is suitable, or maybe you've got no roof space left, carport might be the right solution for you. Get in touch today and have a chat.